High in the misty hills of Meghalaya lies a place where the earth meets the heavens, Sohra, the land of 100 waterfalls. Hidden in the heart of Meghalaya, there lies a place where nature's artistry is on full display. When the monsoon clouds gather, Sohra awakens, the heavens open, and the hills come alive, adorned with 1,000 silver threads of cascading water. From towering cliffs, mighty torrents plunge into emerald valleys below, wild, majestic, and untamed. Each fall more spellbinding than the last. Here, clouds don't just pass by, they dance. Every whisper of the mist tells a story of Sohra's eternal bond with the rain. This is Sohra, not just a land of waterfalls, but a realm where rain, rock, and river become one. A masterpiece of nature's finest creation, Sohra, where the clouds dance and the waterfalls roar.